how to use Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner. I'm going to show you how to use Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner. It says it helps eliminate limescale, grease, and odors in your machine. Right here is my dishwasher machine. It's actually a Bosch dishwasher machine that I'm going to be cleaning right here. And so right here I have the Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner. Comes in a box like that. And here are one of the pods that come into the pack. It comes actually inside of one of these packages right here, and this is the pod that is inside. Now, if you look on the back of the container, it actually shows you how to do it. It says right here, it says make sure your dishwasher is empty and simply place one of these packs inside of the dishwasher drawer. So I'm going to come over here, place it inside of the dishwasher drawer, close it, all right, just like that. Make sure the dishwasher is empty from all dishes before doing this, all right? So you see right there, I just removed the dishes from the dishwasher, and so it's empty. Now, for heavily soiled dishwashers or dishwashers that have a lot of limescale, you may want to use 2 packs. One of the packs inside of the drawer, and the other one you just drop down at the bottom of the dishwasher. Now, once you have all of that done, you just simply close the dishwasher and run it as normal and let Cascade do the work, all right? Just like that. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.